In the previous video, we spoke about public, protected, and private attributes, and we said that if something is private, so it means there are two underscores, like self underscore underscore price. If something is protected, it means there is only one underscore. It means underscore ratings. So in this time, I would like to comment out self-priced, because we don't want to work with price. I would like to work with ratings, because we put here an underscore. But the problem is that the rest of our code doesn't work now. Why? Because here I have a book 1, for example, and I would like to call, for example, at rating. So it means the book 1 has the first rating, for example, number 5. I will run the code, and you can see the error is attribute error. Book object has no attribute ratings. So what is the problem? The problem is, did you mean ratings with underscore? Yes, exactly. Because the problem is, if this is protected, so it means we change the name. So the name isn't ratings, the name is underscore ratings. So it means if it will work, so we should put here underscore ratings, put here underscore ratings. It means anytime we use self.ratings, so now is self.underscore ratings. Okay, here, 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 and that's it. So now if I will run the code, you can see there is no error. Perfect. So if I will put there some ratings, so we can check if it's worked or it doesn't. Maybe we will see. So we add 3 ratings, 5, 4, and 3. So now I would like to put here book 1 and call average rating method. So average rating is here. Okay, so it returned the average number. I will run it, and you can see that the average from 5, 4, and 3 is 4, correct? 5 plus 4 plus 3, it's 12 divided by 3, it's 4, correct? Perfect. So it works. So our change here in average rating was correct. So we made the change here, here, and here. Okay, there. So now I would like to print another function, book 1 rating count. So how many ratings do we have on book 1? We have 3 ratings. Yes, it's correct, because it's 1, 2, and 3. And it works as well. So I will print book1.info. So you can see that here in info method there is self average rating, and self average rating use the rating as well. So we will run it, and you can see there is no error, everything works fine. So that's how you need to change the name of ratings if you decide that the ratings is protected. So if you would like to work with a price, so and price is private because we see these 2 underscore, so it means if you work the price, for example, here, you should use self underscore underscore price. Okay, because now this is the official name. Okay, so don't forget about it. Perfect. So the conclusion is, if you change some attributes to protected or private, so it means you put here 1 or 2 underscores, you need to use 1 or 2 underscores in the methods as well. Okay, because it means that the self.ratings and self.price doesn't exist. Okay, because it's self.underscore rating, self.underscore underscore price. Correct? Perfect. So I hope, guys, that you understand.